You risked your life just for a case? Is your life only yours?
Hey, Purva, what are you doing? Wait, I've got loads to do. Siddhant, what is she saying? Please talk to her.
Brother, please tell me, aren't we going for a party?
Hey,
Yes, we are.
See?
what? But your dad never mentioned anything about it.
He must have forgotten as always. Moreover, today's party isn't in your husband's honor. I won a major case for Shrikant. And if I don't attend it, then Reddy's would get mad at us.
Yes, Mom. If we do not go, then Anushka would be upset. She'll come here to take us.
Gayatri!
Please, go and get dressed. You are coming with us tonight. Oh, may the Lord make no one so handsome. Right, Mom?
True that.
Gayatri!
Yes. What is
I've
it?
been calling out to you since so long. Where were you?
I was right here. Tell me what
I
is
can't find my socks. I'm tired of looking for them.
it? They were... Okay, let me get them.
And this tie's not got undone. What do I do now?
I'll tie the knot.
Sure, go ahead. Really, what a pompous ordeal. You didn't tell me about yesterday's case?
I thought of giving you a surprise.
I wish to know how you won this case.
Why are you asking like that? It's not like I've won for the first time. Moreover, it was an open and shut case. Shrikant had been framed. He was innocent.
I'll talk to you in detail at leisure.
Any time.
Found them? Where are we going, by the way?
To attend the party hosted by Mr. KK.
You seem to be partying a lot lately. It's not some family function. It's KK's business party. We need not attend.
Look up.
Hey, the phone. Answer the phone.
Hello?
Miss Gayatri, it has been so long since I heard your voice.
Mr. KK, I'm sorry. I answered the phone without checking the number.
Very good. Or else had Prabhakar answered. Where's he?
He's right here, getting dressed. He's about to leave.
Just him. Aren't you coming too?
Well,
I knew it. It is good that I called up. Please turn on the phone speaker.
okay. He asked me to turn on the speaker.
Prabhakar.
Yes, KK.
Everybody must attend today. Your wife, Purva, and Siddhant definitely has to. I need to thank him. Prabhakar, I want no excuses, huh?
Okay.
Now that he's got orders from above, my dear father cannot refuse.
Get dressed, everyone.
Get ready, Siddhant Sinha. You'll get a chance for a new shortcut tonight. And I'm not going to miss it. At any cost.
Somebody's looking dashing tonight. What are you looking for down there? Come, brother. Let's have a blast at this party. Let's go.
Lower your voice, or else Riddhi might hear you.
Oh, so you're waiting for Riddhi, is it?
You go ahead, I'll be there. Go.
Sure. I'll wait. We'll go together.
Go.
Okay, see you.
You know what, Mom? You look ravishing tonight.
What happened?
Paco Rabbani.
Yes, but I bought this in America from their personal store. Oh gosh.
Is this the only dress you found in America?
I'm sorry.
So, anyway, one of you can change. Big deal.
Fine. I'll go and change then.
Let's hurry. Dad must be waiting. Come, let's go.
I can't go like this. Else the headlines tomorrow will be Ready Women in Uniform.
It's okay, sister-in-law. I'll go and change it. Anyways, I don't like this dress a lot.
Thanks, Anushka.
Shall we? Come on, let's go.
Bye.
You'll go ahead, I'll be
Bye.
there. I'll be back, Mom.
Wait,
What happened?
come with me.
Where are you taking me?
Just come with me.
Okay.
Thank God. Else you would have gone out in this dress.
Mom, but what is the problem with this dress? Even sister-in-law wore the same dress.
Riddhi is not my daughter. No.
Come on, Mom. It's just a party. Why are you...
You don't know your dad, it seems, Anushka. It's not just a party.
What is it?
This is KK's way of telling the world that the next generation of Reddys is ready. Lee. Shrikant Reddy, Karthik Reddy, and Anushka Reddy.
Mom, a sari?
It will be a nice surprise. I don't remember when was the last time I saw you in a sari. In the business circle, people might talk about Krishna Kant Reddy's sharpness. But when style is mentioned, people talk about Neeta Reddy. Trust me, sari will be a good choice.
Mom, I'm not sure sari...
It's not just any other sari, Anushka. It's an exclusive Krishna ball design. There is just one of these in the entire world, which was designed specially for me. Anushka, practice properly. The annual function is in 2 days.
Actually, I don't feel so well. You guys continue. I'll join you later, okay?
Have you heard the saying? One who copies others ends up losing his identity.
If you cannot help me, then don't comment over it. What were you implying anyway?
I was just complimenting her.
Okay, how do I look?
You look okay. Next time, don't make a fool of yourself in a sari. If I am present at that time, then I won't spare you. I'll watch you make a fool of yourself and even make fun of you.
Mom, but I don't know if I should wear this or not. I'm not that comfortable, Mom.
Okay. Do as you please. How do I care? I should not interfere. I'm a mother after all. I always want my kids to dress up in a way that the world praises them and they say wow. But it's okay. I won't burden you with the pressure of our image.
Okay, fine. I'll wear it. Let's see what happens later.
The world will watch, my dear. Today at the party, everyone will have their eyes on you.
I don't know if everyone will see, but I'm sure Siddhant will find a chance to make fun the moment I trip or fall.
है तुझसे वास्ता बस गैर सारा जहां तू मिले बस तू